And hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Yes, sir. Yesterday, I have created this image for EKS. Means this is for front end. That application. When I am going to start, it will start few minutes and it will stop. It
Which one?
not continuously.
Which
This
one?
one, sir.
Which one? The Flask one?
EKS latest.
Flask one or
This
you?
5001. This port number, sir.
Okay. Which one is this image based on which one? Yesterday only or the another one?
Yesterday ones only, sir. You give that flask.
Okay. So let me check your Docker file. Docker file is the same, na?
Yes, sir. Same Docker file only.
Yeah, it is same. Okay. So now check once again. That's build one image. You first delete the images which is not required. Just delete it. And delete the container which is not required. Okay. My SQL name also deleted. I think it is not required. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. Delete it. Now I think that image is also not required. The 5000 port you are forwarded now. You delete all the EKS cluster one. Yeah. Delete it. Again delete that flask one. Container flask one. Flask.
This one, sir.
Yeah. This is running or not
Uh,
running?
Running, sir. It is running.
Then you are
This
saying not
is,
running.
sir, under means it is a new flask, sir. It is the another type of flask. It's only give a name. It's
Okay.
not
Okay.
an connected to the SQL.
Okay. Now build one container. Yeah. Run one container.
Sir, by using yesterday's image only, have to do content. Have to run container.
Yeah, you can build new one, not a issue, or you can use that yesterday one. Whatever you want, you just do it according to your convenient. Yeah. 5,000 is already busy. 5,000 is already busy. You give 5,001. Yeah. You have to put then. You have to give the network now also. Your also you
Okay,
have
sir.
to provide the network, the SQL
And
network.
also connected to the SQL.
Yeah. You created any container? You created any container for SQL one? Show me your Docker desktop.
Sir, which container for this one?
SQL container, SQL one. With the help of the MySQL, you have to create one container now.
Yeah.
You created that container or not?
Uh,
I think
Sir,
not.
yesterday I created. Yeah. Sorry. Docker PS. No, sir.
You do Docker PS minus A. Not created. Okay. You create one SQL container.
Sir, I have to create under the network.
Yeah. So that it will get connected, no?
Mm. Uh,
Yeah. Put enter. Do network or less. Oh, environment variable you didn't write. You have to write minus e.
minus E.
Yeah, before MySQL you have to write minus e.
Yes, sir.
Space minus e. Yeah. Why you given minus p there? Minus p the not required.
Sir, port.
SQL it will take automatic port 3306. One more space, two spaces there I think. Yeah. Now do Docker PS.
Container is running, sir.
Okay. Now this container is up. Okay.
Mm. Docker run minus T. Name. Minus P. 0, 0.
Net.
Minus E. Network also will give ATWRK. Network PA. Minus E.
You have to create one database, na? You have to create first database inside your MySQL. Add one PowerShell. Leave it. Okay, you erase it, na? Okay, erase it. Erase.
Oh yes, sir. Have created database.
Yeah, now create your container.
Sir, I have to exit from this.
Yeah, you have to git only, no? Two time you have to git. Yeah. Okay, minus d for detached mode, minus dash dash name you given Pavitra 4. Very good. Minus p you have given the port forwarding, that is 5001, and dash dash network Pavitra 14. Good. And minus a means environmental variable you are giving my host equal to you given Pavitra.
Yes, sir. Here I have given a name. Have to given a container name, no, sir.
Yeah, SQL na, SQL container you given
Ah,
Pavitra name. MySQL
uh,
you given MySQL.
SQL.
Yeah, SQL only you given. Yeah,
Ah,
you have to write SQL only. Yeah, Pavitra, what happened? Your screen get stuck for me. Hello, Pavitra. Is your screen?
hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, this is the command. It is correct.
Your screen is not visible to me.
Okay, sir. Hello, mommy. Sir, now.
Yeah, it's visible.
Sir, this is a command.
My user root, my password root, my SQL underscore DB equal to my data. Good. Okay. Now write your
Image
image.
name. I have,
Yeah.
sir.
Write your
Image.
image name.
Image. EKS cluster. EKS. STER.
Yeah. Put enter.
No, it's running. Yes.
Show me that Docker desktop.
Ah, sir, here. Who is watching?
Okay. Yeah. Show me the logs of your container. Click on that Pavitra 4. Click on Pavitra 4. Yeah. MySQL DB operational error. Can't connect to local server through socket. Yeah, there is any mistake in there. Show me your command. Yeah, here only. Command. What command you have given? Docker run minus the. Okay. Does this name Pavitra 4 minus P 5001 and 5000 dash dash network 14 minus C my host SQL my user my password root data EKS cluster. Okay, again you write up arrow, click on up arrow, change that 5001 to 5002, or you do go to Docker desktop and delete that one, delete that container. Yeah, delete that container. Left hand side square box, click on that and delete it. Now yeah, VS Code, go to VS Code and write 5001. It's okay. Now you give that tag one, colon latest. Yeah, yeah, put enter. Now go to Docker desktop, Docker desktop. uh, that Flask app is running now 5000 port. That is which port? You open that port, my localhost, the first one, top one. Yeah, open it. uh, you stop that container, stop it. Yeah, yeah, delete that one. Not that, pavitra 4, pavitra 4. Yeah, delete it. Now yeah, network, do the network inspect and you have to write that network, pavitra 14. Yeah, SQL database is running on pavitra 14 network. Okay, now you do Docker images. EKS cluster 2, it's 23 hours ago. check that my data is created or not. You created that data na database. You created database na, that is my data.
Hello. Yes, sir. I have created my database in that SQL.
The name is
My data.
my data na. Okay, then where we are doing mistake, hide it, hide it. Put up arrow. Yeah, wait here, wait here. MySQL DB, the name is same na.
Yes, sir. It
my
is container name only, no, sir.
my underscore user, my underscore host. You open that first app.py, let it little bigger. Yeah, look Pavitra, what is written here? MySQL host, MySQL user, what you are writing there?
Oh, sorry, sir. Here.
Change it.
Mm.
You just change it now. Do up arrow. Yeah, now change it. Capital letter, capital letter. Now put enter. Docker desktop.
Now it's running, sir.
Click on that. Running.
Yes, sir.
There was spelling mistake. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay, it's
It
okay.
is
It's
my
okay.
mistake.
No, it's okay. It happens. Yeah. Now today we will learn that load balancer one, that application gateway. You have seen now that application gateway part.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then again we will come to the Docker one. Okay, again we will go for Docker. Stop sharing your screen. Let I'll share my screen. Okay. Is my screen visible to you now?
Yes, sir. It is visible.
Yeah. Now we have already seen that Azure load balancer, and might be you remember everything. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
in Azure load balancer, what we have front-end IP configurations. In that we can have more than one IP, and we can host multiple website here. Okay, with this help of front-end
Yes.
IP, and every front-end IP just connected with the backend pools, and we have some load balancing rules in which we have written some rules. Okay, and according to that our Azure load balancer works here. Okay, now let the scenario of that we have two websites. Okay, that one website is with the attached with the domain that is www.birati.com, and the another website is what was that, aeroplane?
Yes, sir.
Okay. uh, so that domain we have a DNS record. You have seen that DNS record and all. So in a DNS record we have kept our front-end IP there. Okay, and with the Sanjay domain also, that tool.sanjay.com also we having some front-end IP, and that is public IP attached to that a DNS record. Okay, and while hosting our website in Azure Load Balancer, we have to that public IP. Like for the different domain, we need a different public IP. Okay, like if you want one more, that is pavitra.com. So that again I have to create one public IP for that, and again we have to give the connection to the backend pool and health probe and all, and load balancing rule and all. So I have to go through this process. So what happened here? Can you explain this diagram?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, here there are the two domains.
Hmm.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, I'm listening you. Yeah,
Hello.
please.
Uh, Sir, here there are the two domains,
Yeah, okay.
and one domain is connected to the one public IP.
Hmm.
Next, another domain is connected to the another public IP.
Okay.
It is connected to that front end configuration, backend pools, and health probe.
Okay.
Next, in the backend pool, it is having the virtual machines are connected here.
Yeah, means there is a problem. Okay, Pavitra here. Look at this public IP. Means more than one public IP is a problem for any of organizations. Made means if you having public IP, means there is a security concern, and everything means we have to security concern is there. Okay, for more than one public IP means maintaining more than one public IP, you have to keep your eye always there. Means the security concern and everything, you have to keep it on mind. So to minimize this public IP, or let we have only one public IP, we have to go for the application gateway. In that, what would happen there? There will only one public IP, and we can host multiple website there with the help of application gateway. And here the same, what happened here, this public IP is connected to that this look at the load balancing rule here. Okay, what happened here, this public IP is connected to the
Yes.
pool 1, and this pool 1 is connected to the that health probe 1. Okay, and again
Health
same
probe.
for the Sanjay public IP, it is connected to the pool 1 okay, and again it is connected to the Sanjay health probe 1. Again, if I created a website for you, so that your public IP is connected to the your pool and your health probe 1. So it will goes like that.
Health
Means
probe.
how many website we have, that much we have to create our public IP. Okay, and this is a problem for the Azure load balancer. Okay, and this problem is solved
Sir,
by the
these IPs are all a different, no, sir?
yeah, all different IP. Means every IP we have to keep different public IP, and this is the only problem. And with the help of Azure load balancer, we have you can see here this high level diagram. What is there, this is the application gateway. I'll write here. Okay, this is the application gateway, and what happening here? Can you little bit explain it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, here there are the two domains having a same name, means a same public IP.
Okay. That DNS record,
Next,
the a DNS record pointing to the same IP. Okay.
uh,
Yeah.
hmm, a same IP address, and this public IP having these two domains having the same public IP with a front end IP configuration.
Yeah, means what we are doing here, we have only one public IP, and if any users want to hit, like any users want to hit birati.com, what will happen? That birati.com go to where, that is public IP,
Public
and then again public IP, what it will do, it will again go for the listener. Here one term is extra, that is the listener, and what it decide it having some rules. Okay, and it forward, like if someone want to hit that brati.com, so it will go for the brati one. Okay, brati one, and the pool one and the help proof one, now it will go accordingly. There means listener will decide that where user should go according to the user choice. Okay, let again, if you just want to go for the sanjay.com, so what will happen, again it will go for this public IP, and again it send request to the listener, and according to the request of user, it will listen by listener to the sanjay one. Okay, and again it will do according to that listener sanjay. It will go for the pool sanjay one, and again the health one for the sanjay health one, like that it will go. Okay, so this is the diagram.
sir, I have one doubt.
Yeah,
Sir, that listener will know these two domains, means there are this. It is the same public IP, no, sir. How it will we know this domain will be
yeah,
hit and the user will
you
hit
have
this
seen
domain?
that application gateway, creation of application gateway and all.
Uh,
I showed you there how to create.
uh, yes, sir. You should.
Let again I'll show you. Okay, you have ID now. Okay, you remember your password and all.
No, sir.
I forgot to ask that guy. Okay, while creating that Azure load balancer na, that application gateway, let I'll show you here. There is a option that listener will listen which host one. Okay, and it having some rules there. Let I'll create gateway load balancer. Okay, we have to create virtual network and all. here we can create our public IP. If you have VM now, you can add here. Okay, you can add virtual machines here if you have any VM. Now you have to set rule here, and here you having listener. Like I'll write here Pavitra rule, and you have to give priority. Like I'm giving 2. Look, listener name I am deciding here. Okay, that is listener name for Birati website. Okay, so Birati website, it will listen for the Birati one. Okay, if you have multi website, you have to write here the name. Okay, again you have to write the backend settings, like okay, if you are writing for the Sanjay website, you have to again add a rule. Okay, here like a rule for Sanjay rule, and you have to set like any number between 1 to 20,000, and listener name is Sanjay, and it will listen at sanjay.com. okay, means same public IP. This public IP will listen both Sanjay as well as Briti. Now again I have to write for backend. I'll give this one, or if we having another one, so we can go for the another one. Okay, so now we have two rule. Okay, that is Pavitra rule and the Sanjay rule. If you just want to hit Pavitra website, it will listener will forward define this rule. Okay, and user want to go
Okay,
to
sir.
Sanjay website, it will define by this one. So I'll create here. So while it is creating now, you have to do one thing. You just take this as a screenshot and ask GPT to explain it. Okay, this whole diagram, application gateway.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and I'll ask you. Okay, I'm going for the dinner. I'll come after 5 to 10 minutes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, take it screenshot and try to get some information about this HLD. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Pavitra?
Hello, sir. Sir, your voice is low, sir. Too much low.
Okay, now it's okay.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Yeah. Now share your screen and now tell me what you explore in your chat GPT and all.
Yes, sir. Sir, my screen is visible to you, sir.
Yeah, it's visible.
Sir, I have uploaded this diagram to the chat GPT.
Yeah.
And first one is to my public IP.
From the top you go from the static. The basic.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes. This is the Azure Application Gateway. It works on layer 7 of a load balancer architecture.
Yeah. This is diagram for the Azure application gateway architecture. Okay. Yeah. Now.
Yes, sir. Now it is configured for a host-based routing
Hmm.
to manage the traffic between the multiple domains.
Yeah. Okay. So we have multiple domains, that is Brati.com and Sanjay.com. Okay.
Uh,
Now
Next,
the
let me.
yeah.
Okay, sir. Here are the two domains, two websites.
Yeah. Okay.
Sir, these two websites are hosted in Netlify. No,
Yeah, it was host in Netlify for them, but I set an example for that two website.
okay, sir.
Means any two website means any website it can be. Okay, not only two, it can 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Mm.
whatever it is. Just I set only two for the general application.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now
Next, for domains and sir,
yeah, then
your voice is not audible to me. Uh, Next, we have at the layer 7. It works under the layer 7.
first to explain the first point. Uttara, you have to explain.
This domain and public IP.
Yeah, two domains are configured, and that is two domain is the
Uh,
first one is
yes, sir.
www.breti.com, and the A record points to that IP. One IP is there, and again www.sanjay.com. Again, the A record of that domain also point to the same IP. Okay,
Same
why
IP.
why same IP?
Mm.
Because
Yes,
in
sir.
Azure Load Balancer, Azure Application Gateway, we have only one public IP. So both a
Mm.
record points to the same IP. Okay, means the second
Mm.
point it
Yes, sir.
demonstrate that both domains resolve to the same public IP of the application gateway. Okay, now
Mm.
come to the second
Mm.
point. You have to explain in that way.
Okay, sir. Here the second point is application gateway. In this, it is application gateway. It is a central part. Means it takes the traffic and based on our host names, it will means it will uh, send the traffic to that particular domains. It is also worked under the layer 7. Means it supports web application firewall for a security, and also it works for SSL certificate, and it also for a security purpose we are having HTTPS hypertext transfer protocol for security, and also it is URL based routing to decide the backend pool traffic should go. Means
Yeah, okay, that's fine. Application gateway work at layer 7. Okay, and this is the central component that routes traffic based on the host name. Okay, whatever the URL we provide it having the capability to route the traffic according to the that URL what we are providing. At which layer? The layer 7, that is the application layer. It also
7.
It also
Yes,
support
sir.
the application gateway also support that WAF, SSL certificate, host or URL based routing. WAF for security purpose, SSL certificate for the secure HTTPS communication, and host or URL based routing to decide which backend pool the traffic should
Back.
go according to the listener.
Go.
Okay. Now come to that point number third.
Yes, sir. Point number third, it is for front-end IP. 82.63.35.28. It is a public IP configured with that front-end. Next, if all
Good.
the request means if any users hit that website, it will be first hit that public IP.
Okay, means the application gateway has fronted IP, and all the requests from the internet means user traffic will go either briti.com or sanjay.com according to the user's voice. Okay, and
First
first
hit,
hit this public IP.
hit public IP.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Next, yes, sir. Next, for listeners, the listeners are configured as per the domain check income requests. Means this means listeners are used for the multiple domains are used. The listeners are configured as per the domain. First, it will check the listener Briti handles the request, means in which are the users are hitting this Briti.com, and also it checks for an listener Sanjay handles the request for this Sanjay.com.
Okay, so whatever the we have set rule inside that listener, according to that it will handle the request. Okay, if someone want the Birati website, listener will forwarded that request to that Birati.com.
Briti.
Okay, and if someone
Hmm.
some users want for the Sanjay.com, so listener will handle that request for that www.sanjay.com. Okay, now
Yes, sir.
backend pool you
Next,
understand.
the backend pool.
Backend pool you understand it
Hmm.
very well in Azure load balancer also. So I think it is
Yes, sir.
I think you don't have any doubt in that. Means
No,
requests
sir.
are forwarded to the backend servers. Okay, let it pool one Birati. It contains how many VMs for we are assigning for the Birati.com. It will be
Two
there.
M,
Okay,
two VMs, VM1 and VM2.
yeah, it is mentioning here VM1 VM2, but maybe it is more than VM means 5 or
Oh,
6 VM. Okay,
yes, sir.
and health probe will also ensure that the high availability of your VMs. Okay, the sixth one. Okay,
Sixth one, health probe. Yes, sir.
yeah, so you also
To
understand.
ensure the high availability. Hmm.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
For a health probe, configure to the check the server health. Okay, for Briti health probe one, there are the two health probes for Sanjay health probe one. If VM fails, health checks. If traffic is automatically rerouted to the healthy
Healthy
servers.
servers. Okay.
Means if any VMs are failed, the traffic is turned to that healthy VMs.
Okay, good. So now you understand the health probe also. Now load balancing rule.
Yes, sir. Next, load balancing rule. The rules which connect first listeners, next backend pool and health probes. Here, the listeners is a first Briti it sets. Next, it will go to the pool number one Briti. Next, health probe of Briti. Next, if the listener sets the rules for Sanjay, it go for pool number one of a Sanjay and health probe of the Sanjay. Here ensures that traffic for each domain is routed into the respective backends for a server only.
Okay. Now go for the flow of traffic. The point number 8.
Flow for traffic, the users, if and any users will enter the .com www.briti.com in the browser, first it will resolve that DNS, means it firstly it hits to that public IP. No, sir, correct. Correct, no, sir?
Yeah, once it is user enters the www.breathy.com DNS, resolve it to that IP. Okay, front end IP. Yeah,
Next, it will request will be reaches to the application gateway of an front-end IP configuration.
yeah. Then
This if users request will be uh, he reaches to that application gateway configuration. Afterwards, it will be passed to the through the listeners of Brithi, because we set a rule for Brithi, and it identifies the
yeah,
host header,
means
and
listener
also
means the listener Breathy. What we have defined in Breathy listener, it identify the
mm,
host header. Okay, where should I go?
mm,
The next one, next point.
request to routed to backend pool 1, Brithi, VM1 and VM2.
Okay,
Next, Next, a health probe ensures only health. It serves the traffic. If that VMs are only health, it serves the traffic to that VM. Next, the load balancing distribution traffic across the backend VMs.
okay. So you got the point now.
So this one, seventh one point, the load balancing distributes traffic across the backend VMs.
Yeah, whatever the backend VM we have, if we have the 10 VM, okay, so it will balance the load according to the health and all everything. If 2 VM is not active, or 2 VM is disconnected, so that it will distribute in 8 VM. If 9 VM is down, so 1 VM is healthy, that time all the traffic goes to VM1. So it will balance according to the rule. Okay, what we have defined there, and it will go for the same.
Yes, sir.
The process will go for the same for the www.sanjay.com. Okay,
Yes, sir.
got the point now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now let's come to the SSL certificate. You know about that SSL certificate?
SSL certificate
You have
in
any
Azure
idea?
Key Vault, keys, secrets,
Now
and
you
certificates are there, no,
stop
sir?
stop sharing your screen.
Sir, in Azure Key Vault, that certificates are there, no, sir? That certificates.
Yeah, we can keep that certificate. Okay, SSL certificate and whatever it is. But what do you understand by that SSL certificate? Actually, in that this layer 7, okay, the application layer, that application gateway works on that application layer, that is the layer 7, and it having some functionality, that it having the host or URL based routing, WAF, the web application firewall, and it also support that SSL certificate. What is that SSL certificate? Any idea?
No, sir.
So let I'll tell you. This SSL certificate, what it does now, this is a digital certificate that ensures your secure communication. Okay, this is what.
Ensures our secure communication.
Yeah, digital certificate that ensures secure communication, secure communication between client and server.
Server.
Got anything? Any point?
Uh, Sir, it connects from the means the users to that server. Means if a client sends an any request, it will give the response. from the keyboard.
Not like that. You know what happens, like whenever we look, what happens if I'll send you a message to you that is hi or hi Pavitra. So how it will go in network, through network or whatever the means of communication, how it will goes to you,
Uh,
like I'll say here, and okay, let I'll say this is my laptop. Okay, okay, now if I'll send you one message, like I'll Pavitra. So how it will go message that hi to here.
Sir, I am going to explain, or you are explain, sir.
Now just I'm asking you only that how it will travel in that, you know, transmission system or whatever the network is.
Sir, through the network layers, there are the 7 network layers, no, sir?
Yeah,
Through that 7 network layers,
yeah. So what will happen means that message will get encrypted in network. Okay, and that message will show you like this in network,
in
and yeah, now
decoded form.
again it will decrypted by your system, and again it will show you the message to you that is hi. Okay, means what happen in mid of that network means it is it is in encrypted form. Okay, it is in encrypted
Yes, sir.
form, and so it's
Will
happen,
be-
so it's happened when we have that client and server and all. So for the secure communication we provide some certificate that this network we are using, that is, you know, secure communication, secure network is there. So some community is there which provide you the key, okay, that SSL certificate, that is the SSL certificate, okay, for the secure communication, and it is nothing but it is having the key one. Okay, that one key is the public key and one key is that private key.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it having two keys, public key and that private key. Okay, and it's ensure that whatever we have the sensitive informations like username or password or payment detail, it may be encrypted, like SSL certificate means every payment bank, okay, whatever the payment bank or the financial data traveling through the network, everyone having that SSL certificate for that. Okay, means if you enter into any of the bank which does not have that SSL certificate, it won't get connected through that network. Okay, so what happened here, what is that public key? Public key is that it is the shared openly, and it is used to encrypt any kind of data. Okay, like I'll tell you that public key and that is private key.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That public key is what, that it having, that it is shared openly, and it is used to encrypt any kind of data. Okay, it is used to like shared openly, means it is used by anyone. And one more feature is there, that used to encrypt data, used to
Encrypted.
encrypt data. Okay, that is public key. And the private key, it is the key which is kept on the server side. Okay, like I'll show you one example here. Kept secret on the server, used to decrypt decrypt data. Okay, what happened here, let I'll tell you, that some website, let I'll this is, I can say, client. Okay, and this is some bank, like IDFC bank. Okay, so what you do when you try to log in into your system, what happened, can you tell me?
Yes, sir.
This client, enter like www dot idfc.com. Okay, and when it tries to communicate with the, okay, when it, yeah, now what happened there, when users hit a website, that is www.idfc.com, and once he enter their credential, what happens there, like he enter a data like password. Okay, whatever it is, maybe client enter their password as, like uh, it is entered by the user side. Okay, so what will happen in that between, so the public key is distributed to everyone, public IP is distributed to everyone to encrypt their
Yes.
data, but private key is kept only at the server side only. So what will happen, anyone can encrypt their data, means this password now it will show here as like this. Okay, now what will happen, and no hacker can also able to hack this password. Why? Because the hacker having the same key, that is public key, means it can be only encrypted by anyone, no one can decrypt it. Okay, why? Because decryption need that private key, and that private key is at that server side only, server having the at server side only. So what will happen, through that HTTPS certificate, that is SSL certificate, what happens, public key is distributed to everyone, but the private key is having with the server side only. So what happens, whenever we enter any password, it will encrypt their data and it will send to the bank, and in mid of that it cannot be hacked. Okay, in mid of that network it cannot be hacked by any hacker or any malicious thing there. So it won't affect it. Why? Because the private key is with only the bank server, so the data will get decrypted only by this bank only. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
now again this possible with okay, again this private key will decrypt this data, and this public key will encrypt the data. Now you understand the work.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so one term is there, that is SSL handshake. Okay, SSL handshake is there. So what will happen at the SSL handshake? Any idea in that?
Sir, if client give any request to that server,
Hmm.
and if it will give some response to that server, means that server to the client.
Okay, not like that. Okay, means what happened now in SSL handshake, what it will do, whenever like say anything, I'll delete this. Okay, means any user want anything, it is trying to create any the account or whatever it is. So uh, if anything we will ask, like if you'll send a message like hi to anyone or anything, what happen, it will again send a request that like uh, okay, yeah, if anyone send hi. Okay, so what will happen, it will distribute the public key to that client. Okay, so that it can encrypt their data, so through this way I can say that issue public key by that server side. Okay, so what will happen now here, for that session key only provided by that server and side, and what will happen, issue public key by that server end, and now it will get encrypted by the that side, means client side. This can able to encrypt their data, means the lock anyone can log, but the key is with the client side only. Okay, so in session key, uh, it provides the session key, and with the help of that encrypted session key, it can communicate within the two-way. Means the client can communicate with the server side, and server also can communicate with the that client one. Getting my point?
Sir, once again you tell sir, because I'm not able to understand.
Yeah. In SSL handshake, what will happen? Okay, if anyone, like I'll again draw one more diagram. Encrypted session key, 656567. Now you are getting something from this diagram.
Hmm. Yes, sir.
Means what happened
If
now, if you are communicating through the server side, that it provide you the encrypted session key by the private key having the authority to provide any encrypted session key to anyone. Okay, so with this session key, what will do, it can encrypt their data. Okay, it can encrypt their data, and that data will get opened by that server side only. So it do the handshake, or the thing is there, so that we are calling it is the SSL handshake only. Okay,
yes, sir.
you try to explore it, okay, once again, and if you have any doubt, you just again you can ask. Now what is that HTTP and HTTPS? HTTPS, and that is
HTTP.
HTTP. Any idea on that?
Yes, sir. It is an hypertext transmission control protocol.
Yeah, it is the protocol for communication. Protocol for communication.
Communication.
Communication means between
One, two, is
browser browser and server. And what is that HTTP?
Sir, in HTTP, no security means.
Actually this is the HTTP, means it is the protocol for communication between browser and server. But what happened in HTTPS?
It provides an security for that communication between the browser and the server.
Yeah, it provides that, means it is the HTTP
Yes.
plus that SSL. Okay, this is the HTTP plus SSL. And what happened here? Encrypted and we can say secure version of HTTP. Any idea you got?
Yes, sir. If the encryption has done in the that SSL, that will be provided to the HTTP.
Yeah, means HTTPS is the combination of HTTP and SSL. Means SSL what it provide you, the encrypted data, secure version, like that it is providing. And HTTP is having only the protocol for communication between browser and server. It is not secure. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what should you have while you prerequisite for SSL setup? You have you created that HTTPS certificate in Netlify.
No, sir.
You might created, I think I have.
I will check, sir.
Your website is opening with the HTTPS or not? You try to open that.
Ah, okay. Yes, sir.
Hmm?
In HTTPS only it's open.
Yeah, means you have provided that certificate to that your website. Okay, so I'll tell you the prerequisite. Now you try to note down the prerequisite for SSL setup. I think you have given means you have done simply na click 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 and you have done it. Now,
Ah, yes, sir.
now mhm, what it happened? Client connect to the server. Client connect to the server over HTTPS. Then what will happen? Server shares. Now you getting something in SSL handshake, like what happened? Clients connect to the server over HTTPS. Okay, client connect to the server over HTTPS. Server shares its SSL certificate which contain public key.
Public.
Okay, then client generates a session key. Client generate session key. Okay, for encryption. That I'll write in next point. Okay, client generate session key. Then what happen? Clients encrypt. Client encrypts session key using what? Pavitra?
Hello, sir. Yes, sir.
Using what? Client encrypts session key using what? Okay, using
Public servers, public key.
main public key. I'll write here public. Okay, now what it will do? Server let I'll write one again. Send it to server, and what will happen? Server decrypt the session key using now this happened first times. Okay, this happened first times when SSL handshake will done. Okay, then what happen?
Server.
Both client and
Sir.
server use the session key for fast encryption or decryption. Now you understand this SSL handshake?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
I'm little bit. Yes, sir. How to read one time.
Now again you have to read. This is the readable document I have given you only.
Yes, sir.
Means what happened na? Look, client connects to the server over HTTPS. Okay, means
Yes, sir.
through the HTTPS protocol only they connect to the server, and server server what it will do? It will share its SSL certificate.
Okay.
Okay, server this server will share a certificate, SSL certificate which
Yes, sir.
contain public key. Okay.
Mm, mm,
Whenever means everyone whoever connects to the website, okay, it will give the public key. Like I'll open here
mm.
www dot axis bank. Look, this time what happened when I am trying to log in, where is login? You have account in Axis Bank?
No, sir.
Where is the login page? Okay, open it. Okay. Now what happening? What happens right now? Here you can check. When I connect to the server over HTTPS, okay, I connected to the bank server.
Yes, sir.
With this website, I connected to the bank server. Okay, what happened here? Over HTTPS, I connected over HTTPS. You can see here. Okay,
HTTPS.
now
Yes,
what
sir.
happened? Server shares its SSL certificate. Okay, now that bank server will share me that SSL certificate to me, so that I can generate any of the means key or whatever it is. Means if I'll provide my password now, so that with the help of that public key, I can able to what, encrypt their data.
Access.
Encrypt their data means client generate session key. Now with the help of that public key, what will happen? I can able to generate a session key, and client encrypts session key using server public IP. Public key means whatever the public key I got it through the through this bank server side. With the help of that public key, I can able to encrypt my data. Means whatever the password I will enter here. Okay, whatever the password I will enter here, it will get encrypted. It will get encrypted here. Okay, and send it to the server. When I just enter my 86592872, whatever it is, and I'll put my password here. Okay, now what will happen if I try to log in? Okay, what will happen right now? What happened right now, Pavitra? It send
It won't accept. Mm.
yeah, it send my data to the server side. Okay, and what the password I gave as a client here, it will encrypted by that public key. Okay, why? Because that client provided me the public key, so that I can encrypt my data. So my data is encrypted by public key, and server having that private key. Okay, server having that private key, so that my password will get decrypted there. Okay, whatever the password I gave, it will decrypted by the client side, sorry, server side. And what happened? I gave the wrong password, means that was not matching to that according to that their bank portal or whatever my secret one. So it is not matching, so it deny me to log in into that part. So it happens in this HTTPS and whatever it is. Now you got my point. Now
Yes, sir.
what will happen if I'll provide now one session key is that session key generated here. So now what will happen? The time means now it will take less time. Now if I'll put my current login id and password and all, so now encryption and decryption will take less time according to the first one. First time it will take a little more time compared to the second time. Why? Because the handshake is already done. The SSL handshake is already done with that part. Now you got it little bit. You have to read it. This is the deepest part of the HTTPS. Okay, got my point. Pavitra, are you there? Hello Pavitra, are you there?
Yes, sir. I am there.
Yeah. So you understand this SSL handshake or last
Yes,
part?
sir. I am understand.
Yeah, you try to study at home, okay, and you will get more clarity there. Now, what are the prerequisites for SSL setup? Any idea?
Sir, what, sir? Pre?
Prerequisite for SSL. Prerequisite for SSL.
Uh,
Prerequisite. REQ. REQ. Prerequisite. Yeah. What should have? What should you have? Any idea? You already done that part. That's why I'm asking you.
yes, sir.
If I'll tell you now, so that you can remember. Oh, that was prerequisite. Prerequisite means what are the things required for your SSL setup. Means to need your SSL setup, what are the prerequisites is there? Means what are the things you required before that you go for SSL one. Let I'll write you, then only you can know. You have to buy a domain. Okay. That is pavitra.com.
Dot shop, sir.
Okay. .shop. So you already have done that part. Now you got my idea. Now again tell me.
Yes, sir. We have by the domain.
Yeah, and buy domain is over. Second point you tell me.
Second point, we have to uh, server setup.
Yeah, good. Setup
Server.
servers. It may be your VM or it may be your Netlify or whatever it is. Okay, it may be your free
Okay.
one. Backend or the extra whatever you have. The third one.
Third one, public IP. We have to give the public IP.
Okay, means we have the gateway. Configure application gateway or any gateway. Okay, I'm writing here application gateway. Okay, with HTTP. Okay, you should have your application gateway or whatever the load balancer with your HTTP. If you having your HTTP, then only you can apply for SSL certificate. Now you are getting my point.
Yes, sir.
Now the what point you have tell prior to me, that is the attach public IP. Attach
Public IP.
public IP of gateway with which one? Domain, using DNS A record.
Domain.
DNS A record. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
You are very familiar with that point. Now you can go for integrate SSL certificate. Integrate
Yes.
SSL certificate into application gateway. Okay, this is the request. Now you understand now what I am trying
Yes, sir.
to explain you. So when you are I'll show you that part. Yeah, I'll go to this group. Yeah, look here, this is your application gateway. Okay, this is your application gateway, that
Application.
is named now Pavitra underscore gateway, and you having here like some settings inside that. You having configurations. Okay, you having your WAF, web application firewall. In this tier you don't have any WAF. For enable your WAF, you need to go for that WAF v2. You need to upgrade it. Okay, your gateway. Now backend pools, you have created one backend pools, but no VM is targeted here. Okay, if your VM is targeted here, you can check it here. Okay, now backend settings. This is the backend setting. You can have that HTTP protocol here. You can change it here at HTTPS. One concept is there. I left it. Okay, I'll tell you now. Before you going into this part, I'll explain you. This is SSL termination. Okay, look, whenever user try to hit the load balancer one, okay, with which protocol, HTTPS,
HTTP.
and then application gateway try to hit the backend pool and whatever it is, and it is through HTTPS also. So there is no any SSL termination is there, means SSL is there, SSL is also there. So we don't have any SSL termination is there. But what happens when we provide HTTPS at front end side and the back end side? What happened? It is the HTTP. Which protocol? It is HTTP.
HTTP.
So here we can say that our SSL termination is there. Means SSL is not continued here till your backend one. So here your SSL get terminated here. Okay. So this concept is called SSL termination. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you can look here. This is the backend pool only, and this is the backend pool. We can have HTTP as well as HTTPS. Okay, we have that HTTPS also. Front end IP configuration here. So which front end IP we have provided here, it will mention here, and this is the SSL settings. Okay, to provide here that certificate, and your certificate should be in pfx format. Like if you will integrate your SSL to your application gateway, you need to have a certificate, SSL certificate, in which format? .pfx format. Let
Dot
me
pfx.
I'll tell you here. SSL integration in so upload SSL certificate in .pfx format. And this application gateway supports SSL termination. Okay, SSL termination. Now you understand now that SSL termination is what? One side it will get HTTPS, and one side it will get at HTTP.
HTTP.
So it supports that SSL termination. Okay, so we can say that. And also it support end-to-end that SSL encryption. Okay, supports end-to-end SSL encryption. And I'll write here. Yeah, this is your SSL termination, and this is your end-to-end what, Pavitra? This is your what?
It is, sir. My voice is audible.
Yeah, your voice is audible.
Sir, this is for SSL termination. By
Yeah,
one side HTTPS and another side is HTTP.
yeah. So this application gateway supports that SSL termination. Okay, and it also support that end-to-end SSL encryption. This application gateway.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let's come into the types of certificate. Types of certificate. Any idea of that?
Sir, SSL certificate and HTTPS certificate.
No. The first one is self-signed certificate. Self
Signed certificate.
certificate. And you can create it. Let us go to created using open SSL, and it is not trusted by browser. Okay, not trusted by browsers. And one is CA signed certificate, community one. Okay, CA signed certificate, and it is issued by trusted certificate authorities, and it is trusted by browsers. Any doubt in this, Pavitra?
Sir, that is self-signed certificate. It won't supports the browser.
Yeah, it support the browser, but it not trusted by the browser. It will open, okay, in
Hmm.
HTTPS, but it is sometime if you opening any website there, it is written there HTTPS. It is written there HTTPS, but it cross a line, red line there. Okay, and that red
Yes, sir.
line shows that it is that self-signed certificate, SSL certificate. You might have seen somewhere like HTTPS, and it is crossed one line, red line there. You have seen that website? Any website?
No, sir.
Might have you have not uh, concentrate on that part, and that HTTPS it is crossed. I know what is that. So some website is there. Okay, you when you open any website, na, you try to get into that part, or you just configure your only your own sign certificate, na. You can also create that SSL certificate.
Hmm.
Okay, by going in SSL community, you can create your own open SSL one. Means you need some dependency and there, and you can create yourself that certificate. And this CA sign certificate, you have to purchase it from that domain provider website is there, na. You can purchase it from there itself, or if your server supports it free of cost, you can use that part. Like Netlify supports that at free of cost, that HTTPS, so you are using that at free of cost. Okay, got my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now let's come to uh, okay, we have 3 more minutes. Okay, 3 to 5 minutes. You have time now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now come to the WAF. What is that WAF? Web
Web application.
application
Application.
firewall. Firewall. WAF. Can you tell me about something about WAF? You can just browse it somewhere, not an issue. If you can use your ChatGPT, you can use it and tell me what is that WAF.
Sir, it is a security layer,
Yeah, it is a security layer. Okay.
and it uses between means this site between the users and an application means web application, clients and the web application.
It is a security layer between
Between the users or a client and our web application, our website.
between client and web application. No, that is,
Yes,
you got this point? No,
yes sir.
or I need to explain it? No need, no?
No, no sir. No sir.
Then again, tell me.
Next next its job is to filter, monitor and block the malicious traffic.
Okay, tell me.
It filters,
Fil-
its job is to
filters.
monitoring
Okay, monitoring,
and block malicious traffic.
block
Malicious traffic.
malicious. Spelling is right.
Yes sir. MALICIOUC. Yes sir.
Malicious.
Malicious traffic
Okay,
coming into our application.
coming.
Into your application.
Okay, and
Based on set of rules. Sir, in that only.
based on.
No, sir. In
No.
that application, our application means continue of that based on set of rules. That filters, monitoring, and block the malicious software
Okay,
coming
that
into our
is
application based on the software rules, based on the set of rules.
based on set of
Rules.
rules. Okay. Any more point is there?
Sir, WAF is focused only on protecting web application.
Sorry, again you tell.
Uh, WAF means web application firewall is focused only on protecting web applications like websites, APIs, and web apps.
Web application. That is web app, API, and
Websites.
websites. Any doubt in this point?
No, sir.
Okay. Any more point is there?
Sir, it is there. Means in SQL injection means some more. It's like the sub points are there, sir. What does WAF protect against?
Okay. Let I'll write in the. Okay. Protect protects against. Yeah. Tell me.
SQL injection.
SQL injection. Any idea of that SQL injection?
No, sir.
Means in our database, someone want to inject any data like okay, unwanted data. Okay, so that is called the SQL injections. So it also protects against that SQL injections. Okay, next.
Yes, sir. Cross-site scripting.
Cross site
Site scriptings.
scriptings. Any idea of that? Okay, let me first you write all the points, then I'll explain you. Then again,
A cross-site request forgery.
cross site request.
Yes.
Cross site
Request
request
forgery.
for jury. Okay, Any more?
Next point, file inclusion attacks.
File inclusion attack.
Attacks. Next, bot attacks.
Bot attacks. Yeah. Any?
That's it, sir.
So any idea of that? Yeah, Pavitra.
Yes, sir.
Any idea of that?
Cross site.
Yeah, cross-site scripting, cross-site request forgery, file inclusion attacks, bot attacks.
Sir, for cross site scripting, it will inject some malicious scripts into our web pages. In some unwanted scripts into our web pages.
Okay, and that file inclusion attacks,
Inserting an unauthorized files into an application.
and that is the again the bot attack.
Blocking unusual traffic patterns.
Okay, means what happening there? Like if we'll go for the second one, cross-site scripting, that is also called as XSS. Okay,
Yes, sir.
XSS. Okay, cross site scripting, this is cross. Okay, this is the cross and this is the site and this is the scripting. Okay, cross site scripting. What happens now here? uh, you know that hackers, or you know the attackers, what they do, it injects the malicious script into the website. Okay, so it
Yes,
try
sir.
to educate as a users theirs, means I am one users, and I can create 10,000 users like that. Okay, so it contains like that. Okay, that cross site scripting. And then what is that cross site request forgery?
Sir, it will add. Sir, it will for means some unwanted performance forcing to
Yeah,
the users
yeah, means
performance.
always try to try to pass the password. Okay, if I know that you having Axis Bank account with you, so I will try to access your password and all. Okay, so I will try
Yes, sir.
again and again. Okay, so I'll send you that some link to you. Okay, Pavitra, you try to click on that website, you will get money for that. Any money, you can get it free of cost like that. So you will click on that and I can do my work. So it is happening right now. Okay, very much.
Yes, sir.
That is CSRF, cross site request forgery, CSRF. And what is that file inclusion?
Means, yes, sir, if any uh, unauthorized files are included to our web pages.
Yeah, means attackers try to run any file in your website to know your means the secrets and whatever you have in your website. It will try to execute that file, means try to read your sensitive data or sensitive files there. And WAF always try to block such attempts. Okay, and that is the bot attacks. Bot attacks, so no, it is automated program. Okay, so anyone want to do with that force login and whatever it is through the bot one, we can that WAF can detect its pattern. Okay, unusual patterns, and it will inform to us, and also it block that things. Okay,
Yes, sir.
So any doubt in this point?
Sir, no, sir. Sir, yesterday I sent one that assignment part, no, sir.
Yeah, actually I didn't get time. Today I'll do. Okay, today after
Oh,
only, now only I'll try to do. Okay.
okay, sir. Sir, please share this
Yeah,
slides to.
I'll share you as a image part there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is the WAF one. So yeah, I'll share you. Okay, after this session only. So any doubt till now? You have to,
Uh,
you have to do revision only. Okay, this is
sir.
advanced level of that one. Means if you know the concept of that WAF or that HTTP, HTTPS, how it works, and this SSL handshake it happens. If you tell
Hmm.
any interviewer of this approach, now really it will
Yes, sir.
get more, that impressed. If you can explain only, then only it will happen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then
Yes, sir.
Azure Web Balancer, then application gateway, you
Hmm.
have to explain it the way you got in the chat gpt na. You have to
Yes, sir.
explain this diagram or this way, in the same way that chat gpt has given you. Okay, what happens in the application gateway, you have to explain it. Okay, so
Hmm.
try
Yes, sir.
to get into that part. Okay, see you
Yes, sir.
tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Sir, please share.
Yeah, yeah, today I'll share you.